Hello, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio and Gallery / studio with a wet 14 by 14 inch canvas and a strong desire for some art therapy. So I'm going to do something that I'm not used to doing, and put paint all over the place in odd configurations, which I usually reserve for doing geometrics, but this time my intention is to do a swipe, or many swipes, as the case may be. A little, I think I have some shaken up true silver too, not 100%, we'll make sure. So we'll just make some nice patterns and then we'll swipe through them. Well, we hope they're nice patterns for someone. But at the very least, it's going to be art therapy for me. That was true silver. The first color was Mayan gold. This is some Tuscan sun. And I want to put some puddles in. And swipe through them. This is a custom color. This is Orange Crush with some Big Apple thrown in. This is some Hot Orchid, which is now not available as a Prizm pour, which there is a coupon for Colour Arte products, by the way, underneath the video. Should you be looking for this Hot Orchid color, look for primary elements, the powdered pigments, and get the jasmine. I have not ever done anything quite like this before, and that's okay with me. This is some African violet. And I am having kind of a good time, which is what I needed to have. I needed to have a good time. This is some blue velvet. And maybe I would be smart to just leave this alone. I think my Glad cling wrap is wrapped the wrong way around my bottle, or at least that's the way it feels. It's stuck to my hand. Okay, cerulean blue I mixed up just exactly so I could use some of this. It's definitely a lighter, brighter, more neon than the blue velvet. Do I dare? I should put my orange in afterwards. I really shouldn't try and risk that now. But since I've already got the yellow, the Tuscan sun, here's some Tuscan sun with some Orange Crush mixed in. I think there's room for a little more Orange Crush or another color red. I've got some poinsettia, which I really love. I'd like to have some balance. I'd also think that I'm going to put a little bit of Chantilly lace in. What color am I not using? Oh, I've got Twilight Orchid. My paint pouring recipe for these colors is below the video, be it Vivid Poly Pour recipe or Vivid Enamel. I've got some Neptunes Gaze, which ought to add a little pop of something sort of contrasting. Now I could basically, because I covered the canvas in paint, in theory I should be able to start anywhere I want. I've got some deep amethyst, which might be nice too. I still haven't put my white in there. Anyway, so I should be able to start wherever I want. That's the bottom line of that. And they're not overlapping, which is a little dangerous, because when they're overlapping, you know you'll make multicolored cells. But I think I'll make multicolored cells anyway, so we'll find out if I'm right or not right now. This is my Chantilly lace. Just playing, fill in, make a maze. Let's call it make a maze. Let's make sure it's everywhere. Okay, so here goes nothing, I guess. Now I've got a little pull toy, but I was thinking about putting spirals and things. I was thinking about eradicating all of that, but it might be nice to have a picture of that before it's gone. I'm going to try and start with some Amsterdam white and Aussie Floetrol. And I do have enough paint this time, that I am sure of. Just not enough cell activator. I might want red. I might not have enough red. I'm thinking I don't have enough red. But I've got pink carnation. And I'm thinking that's not going to hurt anything. While I'm balancing my cell activator in one hand. Okay, I'm not unhappy with that either. Whoops, right, well now I am, because I just dripped it. Alright, let's go from the other side. Let's try the black and the gold. Let's have a scrape dish. Here we go. I think some purple. I was going to go black and gold, but I'm going to go purple and gold. I'm going to go part way down and scrape. Now I'll go black and white, I think. I have no idea if this is going to turn out at all. I've had a heck of a day. Actually, heck of a weekend, because the tornado took my tent out. It's not even funny. And then the producers of the show decided to completely keep my money. No refund there. A very expensive mistake on my part, not listening to my intuition, which told me not to go months ago. So far so good. Or some variation on that theme. I kind of want to dip some colors. Dip some cell activator. Let's start with some of the orange, which is just unicorn spit. And Aussie Floetrol. I have other colors too. I have some golden magenta. Not sure if I should have swept twice or not. I hope it's half as good a painting as it was to begin with. Okay, so I'm going back to the original, and I think I want some white right on. The edge of that purple. I'm really tempted to go ahead and spatula. Let's do the white. and the black. Knock off my residuals. Oh, that's better. Let's do that on the other side too. Maybe I should do a halfway. Let's do a halfway. That way we might get an opportunity to fix this other part that did not sell at all. Because obviously swiping the full distance doesn't really work as well. So I'm kind of enjoying the things that got left behind a little bit. And I'm wondering, knock those bubbles out. Wondering if I want to knock my spatula colors off on the edge of my canvas, and that's pretty much a gimme. That's kind of different. I like it. The cells will keep developing. I need to do something with this over here. I'm thinking it's either gold. You know what? I've got some cerulean blue cell activator, which is from Golden. Which in theory may turn green. I want that bubble out, and I got it. Cool. Just had that rogue element. A little bit of weird colored orange. What else? A little white. A little black with my white. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this yet. I've got some orange. There's nothing to keep me from playing with colors. I'm taking some gold. Yeah, I like the gold. I also like knocking out some bubbles. I want a skinnier. The acetate tools, if I don't remember to add them underneath the video, please ask me, because there is a video on how to make them. I like the gold, and I have quite a bit of it made up. It was a moment of decision where I chose. Okay, so this is going to look like something to someone. It just doesn't to me yet. Oh, waggles. Waggles are good. Waggles and scrapes. Like that a lot. Enough to do it again and again, probably. Yeah, another party. We like parties. That's turning out very nice. I think it's just going to keep getting better and better as I put my personal touch on it. Not sure about this here. Kind of think maybe a little bit of white and magenta. And then I'm going to get close to... I just delivered a bubble. Sorry about my head. I do that a lot. I'm so sorry. That tells me that I should tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and if you're looking for a link, there's an email address and you can find it directly under Show More underneath the link tree, which is, I'm not sure about those two hard lines, so I'll make them a little less hard. And then just for grins, we're going to throw in a few spirals, because I happen to be a big fan of spirals, as many of you know. They always seem to make it more of a party too. I like the things that are, I like the cells that are left behind. I like the stripes that are left behind. I like my waggles. Don't like the bubbles. I'm going to have to find the bubbles and pierce them. Okay. Really not too bad at all. Definitely better than the mood I was in when I started. Yeah, I can't live without spiral. Like, I've tried. I can't give them up. I'm thoroughly addicted. I'm going to say, check out some of my 2300 videos. 2400 videos. Whoop, that just turned itself off. Come on, stop that. Really? Why would you flash? It's just flashing. That's kind of weird. I have no idea why it's doing that. Let's turn it off and see if I can bring it back without that. Yay! Alright, that was fun. And I may or may not see a few more things that I want to spiral. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom way in. And try and adjust my camera so you can see better. There's really wonderful sparkle in there. There's a few black spaces left that I'm not unhappy about as she fills them in. I like the little gaps of the background showing through. So I love you guys. I appreciate the thumbs up when you give it to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I got Happy Party Colors, which I really needed a dose of. Happy Party Colors. And a few more spirals, which I don't believe I can hurt anything with. Look for a few bubbles. Please give me thumbs up. I asked for that. Share my videos if you get a chance. Shop my Amazon link. That might help me out. Donations through PayPal will get you an invitation to make a scheduled appointment to have a free 15-minute consultation with me. So I'd love to hear from you. And all of my friends who automatically made a donation have pretty much dropped out because I stopped doing the monthly drawing for the moment. I don't know how long that's going to go on. We shall see. I love you guys. I bet I'm almost out of time. I do sell my artwork and I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I just keep wanting to spiral the heck out of this, which is really okay. And I'm going to have to zoom out again. What fun that is.